this video will show you how to cast and mirror your smart device to the new Hansshow 72-inch rear entertainment display for your Tesla Model 3 and Y. First, what you want to do is select the icon 3 from the last. Follow the instruction on how to cast your smart device. Open up your mobile device or smart device. Go to Wi-Fi. Search network LY link. Select. The passcode for this is 8 times. It's also instructed on here. So once you connect it, go ahead and open up a application such as YouTube. And if you want to mirror this with the H72, go ahead and swipe down on the top right. And this is for iPhone. So for Android, same process. Select Mirror Smart Device. So screen mirroring. Select LY link. Give it 30 seconds or less. And now it's mirroring. So you can play your favorite YouTube videos and put it into landscape mode.
This one's pretty cool. It comes with quite a few
and it's the same quality as on your cell phone.
This is an all-new screen. It has actually vents on the bottom and the top, so the air conditioning comes out right in the middle, which is kind of
And the next time you try to connect to this device, you no longer need to connect through Wi-Fi. You can just search and screen mirroring as well as casting directly from your smart device. Then you can control it from your smart device.